Hey guys, welcome to Mama's Thoughts, and today I am reviewing a Little Life Pets.
Wrong! It's Littlest Pet Shop.
I believe this one is. And this is one of the toys that was a possibility of reviewing in my last video. So, like I said, like I promised, that I would be reviewing the other toys. And I have two mystery reviews happening right after I open this up and check this out. So I'm pretty excited about this. Now, Littlest
Pet Shop, Katie. Littlest Pet Shop.
It's a huge favorite in this house. My daughter loves to play with these things all the time, and she actually uses them in her Little People, like the Fisher-Price Little People house that she has, because she doesn't have any like houses yet for these. So yeah. So what's really cute about this is that it comes with like a little, the background is like a donut shop, which is cute. I just think that type of stuff, the little details is cute. And of course we have a list to check off, because in this Lucky Dozen set we do have 3 surprise pets to review. So don't judge me today, because I am totally, I'm mom-liking it right now. Like, when I feel like, I did take a shower today too, so I don't understand why I'm wearing a hat, but it's just a messy bun day, and I love these messy bun hats because they saved my life. And I have no makeup on except for lipstick, and, oh, maybe a little blush, but, I didn't even draw my eyebrows today. Like, that's how bad it is. But I always feel put together when I at least have some lipstick on. If I have lipstick on, I feel like $1,000,000. But if you watch the Netflix show, this is one of the main characters. So we got a cute little cat. Maybe not. Okay. We got a little doe. And we got a bird, a baby frog, a tiny little bunny, a lizard, a cow or a bull. I believe this is a horse. And then, oh, I think he's a bear. So, let's figure out what these mystery pets are. We got a little baby elephant. And a little spider. Ooh. And a large fish. So here's a quick look, a quick close-up at the Lucky Dozen set that I got, so you could have a better look at these. This is the bear. Here's the doe, the cat, the little lizard, the fish, which I was surprised that this fish That was what one of the mystery ones. So they gave you a medium-sized mystery. So this is a horse, a little, what, a duck? Yeah, I'd say that's a duck. A little cow bull, a bunny, a cute little elephant, a little frog, and a spider. So that is a close-up. We have 2 mystery reviews for today. Boxy Girls. So these are the mini Boxy Girls, because you know, the full-size ones have like real hair, but these are like plastic molded little dolls. So let's open these up and check these out. So here is the Boxy Girls out of the packaging. They do come with 3 little boxes for each doll. Alright, so what's cute about these are there's like little mailing stickers like you would get on a traditional package. So A+ Boxy Girls for just the extra detail that's going into these. So quick look at the dolls. This one has her hair up. There's a little bow in it. The dress can come off. Her shoes can come off. I like how she does have underwear on underneath. The bow doesn't come off. And then this one, same thing. Her dress can come off as well as the shoes. Super cute. I love how Boxy Girls, they're just so like, I don't know, innocent and youthful looking. I like these for young kids. Oops. I popped her shoe off. I was trying to see if they're like, if their legs bent, but they do not. Neither do the arms. So let's open up the first box. And it comes with little tissue paper. We got shoes. That totally match that dress, so that's pretty cool. We got like a little accessory. We got like weird, kind of looks like a diaper, but it's a purse. We got a purse. Get out! And like another little handbag. Which also matches her dress. I love how their stuff actually goes with the outfit that they have. So, onto the next doll stuff. We got a blue purse or handbag. We got a lemon handbag. And we got some like brownish gold shoes. So cute. So what do you guys think about the Boxy Girls? I haven't seen the full-size ones yet, but my little girl would like this size dolls right now. As you can see, they're small, they fit in the hands better. They kind of remind me of like the little Shoppies from Shopkins. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video so that you could see more videos from me. Don't forget to comment below. Definitely let me know what other toys would you like me to review. Thanks, guys.